Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tuts, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add or how to use blur effects on Capcut PC. So you can see I open the Capcut PC software. So what you need to do, you need to add the clips on your timeline. So I'm just going to add here, and after that you have to select the file and then go to here effects, simply click on that, and then you can see opening and closing. Okay, simply click on that, and here you'll get some option like hello blur, oblique blur, blurry focus. So you can find more blur effects here. So I'm just going to show you the simply click here download. You need to download first. So you can see it's download, but now you have to add. You can pull it here or drag it. So you can see this is the blur effect. So if I just, you can see this is the, and it's blur now. So you can see this is the normal and the before, and this is the blur. Or you can edit this, you can customize your blur effect. So click on that, select, and you can see strength. So I'm just going to keep the line on the blur, and you can see hello blur. You can reduce, and you can increase or decrease the intensity or strength. You can see this is the highest, and if you want to make it little low, you can do this thing, any speed. You can say this is uh, it's work in the motion. So this is working. Or if you want to, so you can see, and there are more blur option you can try here. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.